Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make yourself look like you're getting in a really cool sports car in Halo AI. If you go to video here, I'm just gonna wait for this to verify. Okay, good. You're going to add in your image. And this is a prompt that I have. You can just recreate it. So I'm just going to paste that. Then you are just going to create this, wait for it to generate. Just going to delete this. It does take a few minutes. If you want it to be faster, I think you do have to subscribe to it, and you'll get like free credits the first few times you use this app. Okay, I'll be back when it's finished. So yeah. And as you can see, it's done generating. This is what your video should look like in the end. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.